Everyone's been really welcoming. And I think it's really interesting to work with people from different backgrounds. Obviously, the language barrier was a bit hard at first, but I think previous lab experience has really helped me. And everybody's really obviously good. They're supportive. So I think it's been a really good experience, obviously, because Dr. Lee's lab is so big as well. So there's a lot of different people from different backgrounds that it's really easy to sort of mingle with everyone here. Back home, the labs are usually pretty small, but Dr. Lee has a lot of different projects going on. They're all somehow connected and they're all somehow different as well. So I was just kind of surprised at how many different projects he had going on and all the options that I had to pick from about what projects I could do. So I think that was the biggest sort of shock.
Thing is, back home or during one of my other research projects, usually the professor was working on this one or two projects. But then Dr. Lee, he's working on so many different professional projects at the same time. And I feel that gave a lot of choice and a lot of insight into, wow, there's actually so many different methods that can be used.